What's up everyone, Awesomeness here, back with another awesome video. So today, what I'm going to tell you is today a pretty special thing. Yeah. So it's about my new gaming PC. You have seen like pictures of it, like background footage of it, like this one over there, but actually I haven't told its specs or anything. So today in this video I'm going to tell you what the specs are, and as you can see I'm recording for the first time in 60 FPS. So if you enjoy, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new because it's absolutely free and you will get every single notification of my brand new video. So without any further ado, let's see what my PC has. But before, I just want to tell you that this PC is a huge improvement from my last PC which you saw, as editing has become one of the most fastest things in this PC, and plus I can now stream super nicely, as you have seen my recent streams. Before I barely couldn't stream because sometimes it used to lag, sometimes it used to not even load up, and so here are the specs of the thing. So my PC is running the Core i5 9400F, and the GPU is the geforce nvidia geforce GTX 1660 with DDR4 16 gigs of RAM. It has 256 gig NVMe M.2 SSD, and it also has a 1 terabyte hard drive, and all is compact in the nzxt H500i case. The motherboard is the Asus TUF B365M. Everything will be linked in the description down below. I hope you enjoy, because most of the people were asking what PC do you have, what are the specs, and I really wasn't able to answer them quite well. So here is the video most of you were asking for, and if you want to know something else like about its gaming chair, a review, or maybe about my new 144Hz monitor, do sure to let me know in the comments down below. As that being said, please guys subscribe, it's absolutely free and it just takes 2 seconds to just go down there and click the red subscribe button, as that will help me a lot. I'm on the road to 300 subscribers. Till then, my name is Ali, you're watching Awesomeness TV, and see you tomorrow. Peace.